Hey all, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I actually have a first impression / product review of the new collection from Nomad Cosmetics. This is the Fêtes de Provence collection. We have a 15-pan palette. We have 4 stunning lip glosses that are filled with so much glitter. I haven't used any of it yet. I haven't swatched it. I haven't done anything with it. So today I wanted to create an eye look with the palette, let you know my thoughts, let you know how the palette performs, whether or not it's something I would purchase, because this was all sent to me by the company. And I am going to swatch all 4 of the glosses on my lips. This year has been my first time trying Nomad Cosmetics, and I have been kind of blown away by the quality of their products. I had not tried them prior to this year, and it's so good. And they put so much thought into their color stories, into the names of the palette, into the names of every color, that I just really respect them as a brand. Of course, I'm always going to be honest with you, if the quality of this palette maybe isn't there, or if the quality of the lip glosses isn't there, I'm going to be honest with you. But I am just saying, in the past, I have had such great results with Nomad Cosmetics. So let me give you a first Let me give you a first glimpse into the palette. Again, we have a 15-pan palette, and the colors here are very, I don't want to say pastel, but they're kind of spring-like. We have a lot of these yellows, we have the pinks, we have the purples, and then we've got a couple of deeper colors here. Overall, it's just kind of a cheery palette. Now, I'm going to be honest, if I saw this palette sitting on a shelf and it hadn't already been sent to me, would I purchase it without trying it just because of the color story? I'm not sure. This color story, I think it's really, really beautiful. I don't know if it's anything unique to what I have in my collection, but I do think it's really, really gorgeous. So I do want to try it because, again, the quality has always blown me away. And if the quality is there, then my love for the color story comes out, if that makes sense, because I am like quality over everything at this point, especially because of my low buy. So I'm really looking forward to trying this, and I'm looking forward to trying these. But since I know that I'm going to be trying 4 different lip glosses, like put one on, wipe it off, etc., I'm going to put on some lip conditioner now to sit while I do my eyes. I'm just using the Kaleidos Blue Agave Softening Lip Mask. This is so luxurious. I love this stuff so, so much. But yeah, I definitely want to do kind of a fun look with this. I wasn't sure if I was going to do like one look and one look. I think I'm just going to do one. And I think I want to try maybe these purples in like almost like a cut crease. I'm not great at a cut crease, but I want to try. And then maybe do like yellow to this kind of like corally orange over into a pink. I want to try them all. But first I want to show you some swatches. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera. And what I want to do differently than the way I usually do my swatches, usually I do like, I take it once finger and then once on my arm and that's it. But if I'm being honest, when I'm doing my eyes, I don't ever go once with the brush and once on my eyes. So I feel like it's kind of unfair to do that. So I want to make bigger swatches so that we can all see how they look and not do these like little tiny swatches. So I will be right back. Okay, so here are the swatches, both in my studio lighting, then my studio lighting with a lot of it turned off so you can really see that sparkle, and also outdoors. What I will say is that save for 1 or 2 shades, these all swatched beautifully. The pigment is really, really there. I didn't have to go over it like 10 times or anything like that. I just had to go maybe like twice. And the pigment was there. It was nice and opaque. It was really beautiful. And the shimmers all mostly swatched beautifully. The only shimmer that I had a little bit of trouble with was, I'm going to butcher every name in this palette, FYI. So if you are French or if you are French speaking, please don't come for me too hard. But I'm going to say Boucher de Rhône. Boucher de Rhône here, which is kind of a silvery blue. That one I did have to go over a few times. Also, Champs de Lavande, it's lavender, Champs de Lavender. But that one is a very, very light purple, and I did have to go over that a few times. But everything else, the color is in the pan what it is on your skin, which I think is really beautiful. And I'm not gonna lie, doing the swatches made me a little more excited to play with this one. Not that I wasn't excited, but like now I'm really excited. All right, let's do a look. I do have my eyes already primed. What I'm going to do, again, I think I want to do kind of a purpley crease and then yellow going into coral, going into maybe berry or pink. So I'm going to use as many colors as I can, but we are going to start with the purple. I want to start with the darkest one, so I believe it's Marché de Provence. I'm just going to take this on a fluffy brush. This is a dusty purple. I don't know another way to describe it really, and there is a lot of kick up in the pan, I will say. So just be gentle, and that kind of thing doesn't really bother me, but I always want to let you know. And with this, I am going to take this right into the crease. I do have to say, I feel like this purple is very unique to my collection in that it's like a very smoky purple. I have a whole lot of very grape purples and ones that really, really stain. I feel like this one might not stain. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe these are famous last words, but we'll see. So it's a little messy, but I'm not too worried about that yet because I'm going to be cleaning it up with some eyeliner. But now I want to take even a fluffier brush and go in with the Champs de Lavande, that light kind of pastel purple. I'm just going to brush that right on the edges. This color is definitely lighter. You can see it up close, but I feel like it's not showing up as much on camera, but it is, it's definitely a lighter shade, and it's not immediately there and punching you in the face, which I know a lot of people might like. I have to admit this color is probably not my favorite with the way it's performing, just because it's, you know, again, it's not like punching me in the face as much. I kind of like my colors to, you know, beat my face a little bit, but yeah, it's still pretty and it's still blending that color out nicely. All right, so even though I am not a cut crease queen, I'm still going to attempt it a bit. I'm just going to take a little concealer and go ahead and cut out that purple. That's not too bad, right? This eye is always harder for me to do because this eye I can keep closed on its own. This one I can't without squinting. Do you guys have that where like one eye behaves nicely and the other one is like, haha, fuck you? Not terrible. We can go with this. Okay, I'm going to start with this pale yellow, which is Champs de Tournesol. And then I'm going to go into this brighter kind of, you know, bee yellow, which is Miel de Lavande. God, I'm so sorry. The people from Nomad watch this, they're going to be like, we want our palette back. So this bright kind of pastel yellow is just going in the very, very inner corner. This actually performs very well. Like, I'm surprised because I feel like light pastel colors, you usually need to like really build it up, but this is just like once in the pan and I feel like it's a nice bright pop of color. Okay, taking the other side of the brush, I'm going into that kind of a little bit of a deeper yellow and just overlapping. Wow, that's nice and bright. Color me surprised. So I think that on this eye, my primer must have set a little weird because it's looking like slightly patchy over here, but on this eye, it's completely fine. So I'm blaming that completely on my primer or something like that and not on the eyeshadow. All right, taking a clean fluffy brush, I'm going into Calisson, and I'm taking this beautiful like peachy kind of coral shade, and that's gonna go right next to the yellow. This color took a little bit of building up. Not bad, but just a little bit. Flipping over the brush, I am going into this bright, beautiful berry, which is Vendange. And that's going to be the outer corner color. Ooh, that is very bright. So I hope it looks bright on the eye. Oh my God. Yep. All right, I'm going to go back in with that purple just to like really punch that up again. Yeah, you can see it just needed like a little kind of refresher. I just realized I used all mattes. That's unacceptable. Okay, no, I'm going in with Fleur de Mimosa. That's a bright, beautiful, shimmery yellow, and I'm going to put that right on the inner corner. This color looks so pretty. I hope it looks pretty. Oh, yeah. Yep, 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 yep. We needed that shimmer. I really, really, really like that little pop. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do like the same thing on the bottom that I did on top. I'm actually gonna start with that kind of berry pink because that's my favorite. Okay, I have thoughts and feels. I'm gonna hop off screen real quick and I wanna do my liner and my lashes and I will be right back and then we're gonna test these lips. All right, so I am liking this, but I do think I want to try one more thing. So I think I'm going to take a mix of, again, Marché de Provence, and this is the Haute Alps, which is a very, very dark kind of gray black. And I'm going to be very, very, very gentle about mixing the two and do more of the purple than the black. But I think I want to take that right in the crease just to define it a little bit. I hope this doesn't mess everything up. Yes, I don't know if you can see the difference, but I like that better. I feel like that just really defines it more. Whew, okay, good. I didn't mess it up completely. There we go. Ooh, okay, so I really love this gradient of the purple to the, with the yellow and the pink and that coral in there. Oh, it's so pretty. So these colors are a bit more muted. Like even that hot pink that's really pretty and really vibrant and the purple, these are not, I don't know. I feel like this might be a very beginner friendly palette if you are looking for adding color into your collection. You know what I mean? It blended really, really easily, and the colors are definitely, again, a bit more muted, but they're so easy to work with. So I really like it. I usually like punchier colors, and I might go back and kind of like touch up some things here and there, like this pink. I just love this pink, so I'm just kind of obsessed with this right now. When have I ever said I'm obsessed with pink? Who am I? But it's such like a vibrant pink. So anyway, I can go back in and touch those up and I can brighten those up more, but I'm kind of liking this. All right, it's time to try these stunning lip glosses. So I'm going to try to apply these on their own. No lipstick, no lip liner. I just want to see how these look, but these are so beautiful. Like they almost look like crushed gold is in there. I'm going to show you these in the sunlight because it's just stunning, but they're just so damn pretty. Oh my God, I can't wait.
You say you don't want to get in trouble, that you're doing fine because you got me.
Okay, so again, this color is Miel. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is a little too light for me to wear by itself, but holy crap, I'm obsessed with the consistency of these. These are enough to wear on their own. You don't even need a lipstick. You don't even need a lip liner. Look how pigmented that is. It is so beautiful. And do you see the shine on this? Like, I can't wait to wear this over some other lipstick because I can't believe the shine. They're not sticky at all. They're not sticky at all. And I applied this thickly. And oh my God, I'm obsessed. This gold sparkle is so beautiful. Like could I even wear this on its own? Probably not, but I still love it. I love it. Is this gonna be my favorite one? I need to try the others.
I don't want to break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are approved.
All right, so this color is Le Fêtes, and it's really, really pretty. It's a little intense on its own for me because it is this kind of cool tone pinky purple. I don't think it looks great on my skin tone, but over a lipstick, it's going to be beautiful because if you are somebody who likes super shiny, glittery lip glosses, but you hate that kind of gritty feeling, you will love these. There is no gritty feeling at all. It feels like I have a thick lip balm on right now. And I just can't believe how intense the shimmer sparkle is. Right now, though, on me, this color specifically kind of looks like 80s bubblegum in like a not flattering way. But over another color, this is going to be beautiful.
You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready.
All right, so this color is the word lavender in French that I keep butchering. Lavande, lavande, lavande. I'm going to go with that. This is beautiful. This is just a purpley, blue, pink, stunning color. Oh my God, I love this so much. And it's so funny. I just normally would never think of myself as somebody to wear a lip like this, but I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, we've got one more to go, and I think it might be my favorite.
You don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be.
So this color is rosé, and it's amazing. Do you see how pigmented and shiny this is? Ooh, I keep looking at it in the mirror. It is so nice, and these feel so good. I keep saying that. Oh, I like this one a lot. I like this one a lot, and I usually don't do a hot pink lip, but like I'm really feeling it with this look. I don't know what it is. Like, I'm just really, really feeling it. Right, so this collection comes out on July 12th. They did not give a time, but they did say that it would be late evening on July 11th for the US West Coast. So if you're on the West Coast in the US, then it'll be late evening on July 11th. East Coast, it'll be very, very early morning, probably like 1 a.m. or something on July 12th. It's just, they didn't give a time, but just keep your eye out around that time. The palette itself is $39 for the 15 pan palette. The lip glosses are $12 each or $39 for all four. So you do get a discount if you get all four. Let me know what you think. Are you thinking of picking up this collection? This, oh my gosh. So, okay, I don't want to say this blew me away, but I am really impressed again with the quality of Nomad. Like, this palette originally probably wouldn't be my first choice of a color story, but like it all worked so well together and it created such a cool look. Like, I'm really happy with it, and I will definitely be dipping back into this palette again. These glosses, though, are kind of the star of the show for me because, again, they don't feel gritty. They feel super moisturizing, super hydrating. I love how pigmented they are. So you can wear these over a bunch of different color lipsticks, or you can wear them by themselves. I'm pretty damn impressed. I'm pretty damn impressed with these. So again, let me know in the comments down below. Are you planning on picking up any of this collection? What things are you excited about that are coming out right now? Tell me about like the indie things that you're excited about, because each time I've tried a new indie brand, whether it's Nomad or Odin's Eye or Adept or Kaleidos or anything like that, I feel like I'm always so impressed. So I want you to fill me in down below, but that's it. If you enjoyed this video, it would mean so much to me if you gave it a thumbs up, or if you left a comment, or if you shared this with your friends. Interacting with videos just really, really helps me out, and it just means so, so much to me. You all can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Those are all GlitterFallout. And as always and forever, you are super freaking rock stars, and I love you so much with my whole heart, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.